To fix an AirPod case blinking orange, start by understanding what the orange light indicates. The blinking orange light on your AirPod case means that there is an issue with the charging process or the AirPods themselves. First, ensure your AirPods are properly placed in the case, as incorrect placement can cause connection issues. Next, try resetting your AirPods by opening the lid of the case, going to the settings on your device, and selecting Forget Device. Then, put the AirPods back in the case and close the lid. Wait for about 30 seconds and open the lid again. Your AirPods should now be in pairing mode and the orange light should stop blinking. If the issue persists, try cleaning the AirPods and the case. As dirt and debris can cause connectivity problems, use a soft cloth and gently wipe down the AirPods and the case, paying particular attention to the charging contacts. Additionally, check that your AirPod case is charged, as a low battery can cause the orange light to blink. Plug the case into a power source using a lightning cable and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. In some cases, the issue may be with the firmware of your AirPods. To update the firmware, make sure your AirPods are connected to your device and the device is connected to the internet. The AirPods will automatically update when a new firmware version is available. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance or to potentially replace your AirPods or case. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the AirPod case blinking orange and get your AirPods working properly. Again,